Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How much do you know about India? Let's test your knowledge with easy and hard level. Let's start. 20 questions 10 seconds. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Jaipur. Who is the President of India as of 2026? Draupadi Murmu. What was the name of India's first satellite? Aryabhat. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Which is the highest civilian award in India?
Bharat Ratan.
As of 2026, how many national parks are there in India? 107. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India?
Babur.
Which is the highest dam in India?
Terry Dam.
Which city is known as the yoga capital of the world?
Rishikesh.
Which Indian city is known as the Diamond City?
Surat. What is the currency of India? Answer this question in the comment box. If you liked this video, comment for part 2. Thanks for watching video. Like, comment and share this video.